Hey guys, what is going on? ZCool 2000 here with a Bukkit coding tutorial. So today we are going to code a Bukkit plugin. I am thinking that I am going to make this a series. If you guys like it, I will post regularly. If you don't, I'll post less regularly. So here we go. So first you want to go to eclipse.org. This is the program we're going to be using to code. So go to downloads. You can do Eclipse Standard or Eclipse IDE. It really doesn't matter. I'm using sorry, it's this one. If you want to do IDE, it's Eclipse IDE for Java developers or Eclipse Standard 4.3.2 or whatever is the latest version. So you can choose either this one or this one. I am using this one for now. But I do have both. They both basically do the same thing. So yeah, you'll download that, and then we have to download one other thing. So you'll go to bukkit.org, and then you'll go to Bukkit dev. Well, then you're gonna download. Okay, where is it? Sorry. Oh. Okay. Just look up Bukkit. Don't go to bukkit.org. So you'll look up Bukkit where it says craft Bukkit. Go there. And you're gonna download whichever one you want. Probably the latest, but for me, I'm using 1.7.5 because I don't want to mess around with 1.7.9 and all that new stuff. So once you do that, open Eclipse, and I will be right back when I am in Eclipse. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm in Eclipse. So basically what you want to do is just click before you go in the Eclipse thingy, click the workspace and make a file wherever you want it to be saved. That's where all your plugins and coding and stuff is going to be saved. And then you'll be clicking like an X to come to this page, which is basically the hub. So let's create a new Java project. So click New Java Project, and we'll name it YouTube. This name is pretty important just because you're going to be referencing it minimally, but you still will be. So yeah, create it. Then right click on YouTube, click New Package. You'll go me.yourname. So I'm being really specific, your name. So for me, I'm doing ZCool 2000. That's my in-game name. So this has to be your name, or it will not work. Make that your name. Okay, so me.zcool2000, or whatever your name is, dot the name of the project. So YouTube. Then finish. Then we're going to click on right-click YouTube again, click New Class. The easiest way to do this is just name it main. So there we go, main. You can have this generate comments on. I'll do it just for now to show you guys what it does. But you really don't need that. It's not needed. Okay, so then just click finish. And there you go. So this is basically what the what's it called? The comments does. It adds these comments, but after looking at it, I think that I really don't like that, so I'm just gonna delete it and make a new one without comments. So new class main. Yeah, there we go. So this is what it should look like if you just did it regular, but right now it won't do anything with Bukkit because we haven't extended it to Bukkit. So we'll do extends Java plugin, and normally you'd be able to hover over this and Bukkit would be right here, but it's not. So we're gonna have to add Bukkit as a Java build path. So go down to Properties, click Java build path, then go to click Libraries, click Add External Jars, then go to wherever you have it saved. So for me, it's right here. Click Open, and you have it. And just as an extra thing, we're gonna go to Java doc location, apply, and do http :// ci.bukkit.org. then click apply and OK. Basically what that does is just updates it, sort of. So yeah, so now we can hover over Java plugin and import Java plugin from org.bukkit.plugin.java. So there we go, and it pops up here. So the first plugin we're gonna make is a plugin where you do /hello and it says hello, then your name. Really easy, really simple to do. So yeah. Let's go right here. So first thing we're gonna do is on enable. So on enable basically is what happens when the plugin is enabled. So wait, I did something wrong. Guys, I just had a brain fart. First delete everything. Not everything, just the on enable. So you do public void on enable parentheses public void on enable open curly brackets, click enter. So it closes it for you. So after you have it like that, we're going to do get logger parentheses dot info. And okay, there was lag. So let's just, for this, we'll do YouTube plugin enabled. So basically what this message is when the plugin is enabled in the console of the server, it will say this YouTube plugin enabled. So then go out of these curly brackets, then into these ones. Public, I can't spell, public void on disable. So the same thing here. It just when you disable it. So .info, and in here we'll do YouTube plugin disabled. And this get logger is totally optional. You don't need that. It just is. I think it is a little helpful. So yeah. Then we'll go into here. This is where we're gonna actually start the code. It's gonna be a really simple plugin. And this next line is the longest line we're gonna be doing in this code. So here we go. Public boolean. So a boolean is basically something that has to come back true or false. And yeah. So we'll do on command parentheses. Sorry about that. Command sender. You guys have to make the caps exactly correct or it will mess up the whole thing. So command sender. Make sure the caps are correct. Command, and don't be ashamed if you have this written down while you're doing it, because like I do, it's just really hard to remember all this, and that's perfectly fine if you don't remember it. So string command label. Sorry about that again. String square brackets out of there. We'll do args. So fun fact, obvious fact for some, args means arguments. I know a lot of people, like when I started coding, what does args mean? Then I've eventually figured out, oh, it means arguments. That makes sense. So we're going to import command sender from org.bukkit.command, as with command, org.bukkit.command again. So all booleans, as I said, need to return a true or false. So that's why we have this little error message. But we'll deal with that at the end. I'll probably forget, but let me leave myself a message. So when you do 2 slashes, it's a comment. So let me just do return statement so I don't forget. Okay, so now let's just do the command. So if sender instance of player, so this is basically making it so the console can't do this command. Change to player org.bukkit.entity. So if sender instance of player open curly brackets enter. So this bit, as I said, it makes it so the console can't do this command because it has to be in the instance of the player. So it has to be a player. This is where we're going to do the actual command. So if command, so this is basically going to be, wait. If command dot get, no, if command dot equals ignore, what? Oh, wait, no. If command dot, if command, I was right the first time. If command dot get name dot equals ignore case. So this is where you're going to put the name of the command. So we'll just do hello. And this equals ignore case means you can do it full uppercase, full lowercase, all, or just a mix of all of them. So if the command is hello, open curly brackets again, then we're going to do sender. So this is the sender dot send message. So in here we'll make chat color dot aqua plus then quotation marks. So this is going to be the message. We'll just say hello, then space plus then sender dot get name. So basically what this is going to look like is hello, then the name of the player. But something I forgot is a space in here because we want it to be 2 words instead of just hello. So here's what it would look like if I didn't have that space. It would be hello, then the name. But since I did add that space right now, it would be hello GeneralZcool 2000. So like that. So yeah, this is a really tiny plugin, and as I said, I did forget, but I just looked up here. We have to add the return statement. So hover over anything over here, and then click Add Return Statement. So there we go. This is your first plugin. So just click F5 on the name of the plugin, and that'll make sure that there are no problems. If there were, they would come up over here, but there aren't, so we're good. So then you're gonna click on, sorry about that. You're gonna click, oh yeah, so sorry. If you're on a Mac, you're gonna get this program called Text Strangler. It'll be in the description, and if you're on Windows or any other system, you'll get Notepad++, because we need to make our plugin.yml. What is that? It's basically some info about the plugin that it needs to run. So you're going to click YouTube, New, File, and we're going to name this file plugin.yml. And you'll open that up. So here we go. Then you're going to do the name of the plugin. So name, colon, we named it YouTube, then author, that's your name, so I'll do GeneralZcool 2000. Then we're gonna have main. So the main is, remember we named the class main, so you're basically just gonna say what that is. So that is we named our plugin YouTube, so it's YouTube dot okay, let me check that really quick. Sorry about that. One sec. Okay, so the main would be me.yourname.youtube.main. So this is the name of our basically where our main can be found. So then we're gonna have version. So since this is the first version, we'll just do 1. Then description. So sorry, spelled that wrong. Description. Yeah, that's spelled correct. So says hello. Then we're gonna do the commands. So 2 spaces, commands, or in our case it's command. Then next line 2 more spaces. Then the name of our command is hello. Sorry. So then the description. I'm doing this all wrong. Let me check how to actually do the plugin YML, and I'll be right back. I actually was doing it correct. So except for this, this goes all the way back, 0 spaces, and here is the 2 spaces. So 1, 2. So then there's hello, then 2 more spaces, 1, 2. Description of the plugin, or description of the command says hello. So same as the plugin. So this is basically our simple plugin.yml. Um, so yeah, let's save it. So save, then go back to Eclipse. So now once everything's saved and you're back in Eclipse, you're gonna export it. You're gonna click YouTube, right click it, you're gonna click export. Then you're gonna click Java jar file next. Then you can just do it on your desktop. So I'll just do my desktop and save it as YouTube.jar. Save. Then click finish. Um, yeah, this happened to me last time. Just do it again. Click yes. And there we go. So I'm gonna put that in on my localhost plugins folder, and I'll show you it in game. Okay guys, so I am in on the localhost server. I do /hello, and then as you see in the chat right here, hello Zcool 2000. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment and a rating and all that, all the above. Subscribe if you want more, and just so you know, the more likes I get, the more often I'll post. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you later. Bye bye.